Hello, and thank you for watching Guitar How-Tos. Today, let's take a look at how to measure your scale length of your guitar. Now, for this, I'm going to use a tape measure. You'll notice this tape measure, it looks like someone cut the end off of the 1 inch, so it's not quite 1 inch. So, easy solution. I'll just fold it right here at the 1 inch line, and I have to remember to subtract 1 inch as I move along here. Put the end of the tape measure up against the edge of the nut. I've seen some folks measure all the way down to here. I guess it's the saddles they're measuring. However, because the saddles get adjusted to intonate the guitar, as was covered on another video, that may not be the most accurate way of doing that. So perhaps a more accurate way of measuring the scale length of a guitar is come here to the 12th fret. Go from the edge of the nut to the center of the 12th fret and double that number. And that's the scale of your guitar. Hope this helps you out.